Simple tricks if you want to be successful at affiliate marketing. Having a good website is important to your online business. It's not the only thing that you need though. You should try promoting your business by using an affiliate program, too. Not sure where to begin with it? Don't worry, this video has helpful affiliate marketing tips to get you started. Do not allow yourself or your partners in affiliate marketing to take advantage of that fact. The very best you can do with cookie stuffing is annoy your readers. At the worst, it can cause the breaking of tracking chains or spread viruses. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day should rethink their affiliate partnerships. Although it's a bad idea for an affiliate to act as if they're totally in love with a product, since it turns the potential customer off, it is still wise to link to the company's pre-sale product pitch. As long as you have read the pitch and find it to be tasteful, authoritative and relevant, you should send your traffic there. Do not ignore charts. We are visual creatures and you will start to recognize trends in a chart before you can find it in the indicators. Learn what the charts are showing you so you can act quickly on changes in the market. Be careful of using too many technical indicators as they can paralyze your willingness to follow the signs you see. You depend on your customers for your revenue, so make sure that any affiliate ads you put up are for products that you can fully stand behind and support. If an ad would generate a nice source of income, but the product or company doesn't seem credible, it's simply not worth the risk. When you are focusing on your affiliate marketing efforts, you should be building backlinks to the videos that you write that discuss the products that you offer. This will help them get better ranking from the search engines and attract more people who are looking specifically for information about that product. Yes, a good website is essential to an online business, but as you have read, it needs to promote it vigorously. An easy way to do that is by using an affiliate program. So, what are you waiting for? Use the above tips, and start improving your affiliate marketing plan today. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.